Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need administrator rights and a quick backup before you touch system files. First, open services and stop the Windows Update and bit services so files aren't in use. Once stopped, open Disk Cleanup as administrator and choose System Files to get an initial view of update storage. Make a restore point now. It's fast and gives rollback ability. You're starting safe removal. These steps prevent locks and accidental data loss while you remove update caches. Now you'll remove the actual update files. Open File Explorer, navigate to C, /Windows/software distribution and delete contents of download and data store. This clears pending packages. Next, run Disk Cleanup as administrator and check Windows Update Cleanup to remove old components. Then run DISM and use the /start component cleanup switch to reclaim component store space. This removes superseded files safely. Make sure services remain stopped during deletions, and verify free space after each step so you can confirm. Finish by restarting the Windows Update and bit services, then check for updates so Windows rebuilds necessary manifests. If you see update errors, run sfc/scano. Once complete, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. These repair corrupt files and help updates succeed. Reboot the PC and verify stability and reclaimed space in settings right arrow storage. Troubleshooting tip: if updates still fail, restore the point you made and try removing files in safe mode. Then repeat repairs and update checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.